friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a quick and tasty Maggi recipe. Maggi is loved by everyone. We know that, and it's very easy to cook, and so let's start. So step 1 is boiling water. First take a pan and add 2 cups of water. Place the pan on the stove and let the water boil. Keep the flame on medium. Now open your Maggi packet. Inside you will find the noodles and the taste maker masala. Break the noodles can into 2 pieces and 3 pieces also. It's up to you. Put into the boiling water. Now open your Maggi packet. Inside you will find the noodle and the taste maker masala. Break the noodle into 2 or 3 pieces. It's up to you. Put into the boiling water. Next, add the taste maker masala. This is what gives Maggi its amazing flavor. Stir gently so that the masala mix well with the water and the noodles. If you want a healthier version, you can also add vegetables like peas, carrots and capsicum. Chop them finely and add them to the pan while the noodles are cooking. Let the noodles cook for around 2 or 3 minutes. Stir them occasionally to avoid sticking. You will see the noodles become soft and curly. Finally, turn off the flame. Your Maggi is ready. Serve in a bowl. Garnish with a fresh coriander leaves if you like. And enjoy this hot and tasty dish. So friends, this was a very simple recipe, but did you notice something? I described every step in English. This is the best way to practice English in daily life. You don't need to wait for a classroom. You can just pick a small activity and explain it in English. You can take any topic like how you make tea, how you clean your room, how you water the plants, or how you pack your bag. When you describe your daily activities in English, you practice speaking vocabulary and confidence also. So my challenge for you today, choose one activity and describe it step by step in English. Just like I explained this Maggi recipe. Trust me, if you do this daily, you will improve your English very fast. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this recipe and also got a new way to practice English. Don't forget, small effort daily bring big result. Keep learning, keep practicing, and you will speak fluently one day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video with new recipe.